Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 5, Week 1, Day 5. I am going to put sounds together to make words. Go ahead and join me as we do this. Ard, hard, art, chart, art, start, arc, spark, arch, march. Now this time we'll say the word and break it into sounds. Car, r. Two sounds. Yard, r, Three sounds. Bark, r, k. Three sounds. Charm, r, Three sounds. Marsh, r, sh. Three sounds. Scarf, r, Four sounds. Okay, so our first picture is a bench. So I'm going to give you 3 seconds to look for the word that says bench. 3, 2, 1. If you said A, you're correct. And then the next one is hatch. I'll give you 3 seconds to find that. 3, 2, 1. It would be C. Okay, so let's blend these. 3, 2, 1. Card. 3, 2, 1. March. 3, 2, 1. Dark. 3, 2, 1. Smart. Okay, let's read this. Mart. Change the to k. Cart. Change the k to ch. Chart. Get rid of the ch. Art. Change the t to arm. Add h to the beginning. Harm. Change the h to ch. Charm. Change the ch to farm. Get rid of the far. Change the f to t. Tar. Change the t to star. Change the st to scar. Change the sk to car. Change the k to bar. Add a k at the end. Bark. And then change the b to p. Park. Change the p to spark. Change the sp to shark. Change the k to p. Sharp. Very nice. Okay, the next list, there are a bunch of words that I'm going to give you 3 seconds to read, since this is our 5th day. 3, 2, 1. Large. 3, 2, 1. Marsh. 3, 2, 1. Man. 3, 2, 1. Child. 3, 2, 1. Barnyard. 3, 2, 1. Farm. 3, 2, 1. Mark. 3, 2, 1. Men. 3, 2, 1. Children. 3, 2, 1. Postcard. 3, 2, 1. Barn. 3, 2, 1. Dark. 3, 2, 1. Foot. 3, 2, 1. Tooth. 3, 2, 1. Bookmark. 3, 2, 1. Sharp. 3, 2, 1. Spark. Oh, whoops. 3, 2, 1. Feet. 3, 2, 1. Teeth. 3, 2, 1. Smart. 3, 2, 1. Charge. 3, 2, 1. Sheep. 3, 2, 1. Mice. And last one. 3, 2, 1. Charcoal. And that's a hard one. Ch-ar-c-ol. Okay. Here are our sight words. Here we go. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. I see 4 fish in the fish tank. Large, 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 large. I saw a large dog in the park. None, 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 none. Ted has 1 left, but Mark has none. Only, 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 only. The card only costs 5 cents. Put, 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 put. Where did you put my book? Round, 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 round. A penny is round. Okay, here's our story for today. I'm going to let you do it first. Ready? Together. We can save. Okay, so we're going to start right into this story. And I really think you can do this story. So I'm going to let you do it first. And then we'll read it together. So we're just going to start here because we already read the title. Your turn first. Ready? Begin. Dave can make it. Dave can use a tube. Dave can use a cube too. It is so cute, Dave. Okay, next one. Your turn. Ready? Begin. Ready? Begin. Did Pete come to play? No, Pete has a seed. He can set it in deep. It can get big in the sun. Okay, your turn. Ready? Begin. Ready? Begin. Lee has a good rule. Lee does not keep it on. Lee can save a lot. Can you name a role? So what do you think he's saving there? Energy, right? So this little boy's planting something to help it grow. This child is turning off the lights, and then our friend up here is making a robot. It looked like that, at least. Okay, your turn. Ready? Begin. Ready? Begin. Niall can see a big bin. He can get to it. He can set it in. Where can you see a big bin? So he's recycling. He's helping us keep the earth clean. Okay, ready? Your turn. Ready? Begin. Ready? Begin. Who can save? We can. Can you help? I hope so. We need to be wise. We can save a lot. Okay, what a great story. So we can make a difference by the choices we make to keep the earth clean. So once again, we're talking about irregular plurals. So in the past, if I have dog, I just add an S. Dog becomes dogs. Cat becomes cats. We don't say man becomes mans. We say man becomes men. And I changed the middle sound and it changed it. So child becomes children. Okay. Foot becomes feet. And last one, woman becomes women. Women. Okay, so we added the E again, just like men, women. Okay, so all of these are called irregular plurals because they totally change the word. So we're not just adding an S, we're changing things. Okay, bye everyone. Good job for today.